Hi everyone. The entire universe today is talking about stay safe, stay home, health hygienes, following WHO guidelines, social distancing. Agree. The pandemic has pushed all of us into maintaining social distancing along with the challenge in hand to remain super connected via internet and isolate COVID-19. There are unprecedented times that requires unprecedented efforts. And at this moment I think hope, resilience and compassion are need of the hour. A famous poet once said, "You keep your face towards sunshine and the shadow will fall behind you." That being said, at this anomalous situation, Team UDM and NPBN from SDU India invites all of you to spend a few minutes and watch this small video, Stronger Together. I have to all agree that there will be hard times, there will be turmoils. Everything around us, of course, is getting into a new version of it, but with that, it brings a lot more opportunities and possibilities. I have strong faith that instead of letting this COVID 19 exhaust us, we'll come up with a better epidermis and a stronger metabolism in order to handle this situation in a much, much better way. I would say, so let's crave for the positive side of it. Let's look around the enormous possibilities, starting with using the time to reset and reconnect ourselves. Indeed, a good time to pursue our hobbies. That being said, I invite all of you to inspire others who are around you and keep pushing to greatness. Remember, whenever we think that we are at the end of something, we are at the beginning of something else. Cheers.
Hello all, I hope everyone is doing well. I would like to start by thanking you and your family for the hard work and support during this lockdown period. Entire world is reinventing themselves to survive and even thrive as new opportunities open up during these remote working conditions. I am quite amazed and inspired by all our flag-bearing colleagues who stand in front of this pandemic situation and keeping up the momentum. Every day our teams are demonstrating extraordinary resilience and creativity so as to match Ericsson ethics and values. I am sure many new ideas are in place to meet the customer requirement with superlative quality. We are strong together. I know we are fighting against this unknown enemy, but in the end, I am sure we will come out as stronger and emerge as champions. As John Lennon famously said, everything will be okay in the end. If it is not okay, it's not the end. It's very challenging and also quite amazing opportunity to test our capabilities and showcase our ability in front of the customer. Once again, I would like to thank all for your unwavering commitment during this challenging time. I would like to close with a famous question saying, "This too shall pass." Thank you.
Hi, I'm Arvind from UDM team. This is the moment which made us to explore more ways of adapting to any situation as a part of collaboration and for working together and also for supporting to each other. Yes, we are still connected with mails, chats, voice and videos. This is the time where we have to change our obstacles into opportunities. Hope soon we'll be back to our offices as usual and we'll meet in persons. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I was just thinking how lucky we are to be living in such a technology enabled time, right? Where businesses like ours are able to operate normally by working from home and also simultaneously we are in touch with our loved ones. But for me, work from home initially was little intense, but now I'm able to maintain the work-life balance and ensuring the proper collaboration by setting up a proper workspace at home and creating a regular work schedule and taking breaks whenever needed. We are all pretty much in a global lockdown situation, so be the support structure for your loved ones and co-workers in this time of need, and we are all in this together.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravikant. As we all are aware about the coronavirus pandemic, many people are working from home in order to increase the social or physical distancing. In fact, I am doing the same thing from the last 2-3 months. Well, working from home has increased my productivity. As I come online, I interact with my colleagues and get things done. Well, my quarantine is not really so isolating. I come online, I usually connect with my friends, family, and colleagues. And I'm really thankful for all those working in a frontline division and whether they are directly or indirectly connect with the healthcare system or involved in a critical supply chains and essential services, which all make it possible for us. Being a telecom engineer, I can understand the seriousness and I can understand the criticality of the essential services. Well, there is no doubt this virus has turned the whole world upside down overnight, but it has displayed the solidarity and the strength amongst the communities. I hope things will get back to normal, not only for me, but for the entire world. Keep fighting, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhinav. I hope you and your loved ones are well. Now these days we are surrounded by the unpleasant vibes, and we all know that encountering negative situations is part of life. Time and patience are the two most powerful warriors. Keeping this in mind, we can say that there is a good news and there is a bad news. The bad news is the current pandemic situation we all are facing, and the good news is nothing lasts forever. It will surely overcome soon and everything will be back on track. So be optimistic and don't worry about the things that are beyond our control. Make your health a priority, take enough sleep, eat nutritious food and do regular exercise at least twice or thrice a week. Last but not the least, limit your consumption of news and stay away from the negativity as much as possible. So be safe, be happy, take care.
Hi everyone, this is Mithun. I hope you are all doing good. Well, at this situation, I am self-quarantined since my return from my on-site, and it's still continuing as we are in the lockdown phase. Yes, I miss my family. It is painful, stressful and fearful. But later I felt that nothing in life is to be feared. It is just only to be understood. Now it's time to understand more, so you may fear less. Life imposes many things on that you can't control. But still, you have a choice of how you're going to live through this. Doing the best at the moment put you in the best place for the next moment. As we all know, Ericsson is ensuring the people's safety and they are doing the best. We are the best. Ericsson is the best. Stay safe, stay strong. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Bhavani. Hope you are all doing good in this critical situation. The stress is very high due to the global health crisis and change in our normal life. As we all know, we can't hit the gym right now, but still we can do some workout in home to reduce the stress. Here we go. Indulge in some physical activity. Do practicing yoga regularly. Spend time with your family and friends. Have virtual meetups with your colleagues. If you feel anxiety, take regular breaks. Eat well, have a good sleep. Stay fit, stay home, stay connected. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. My name is Sahil Kamboj and I'm a happy and a proud telecom engineer because we are the ones who has enabled the communication between billions of people all over the world so that they should never feel alone and detached during this lockdown period. So telecom engineers have made this world unstoppable, full of dreams, lively by creating the seamless communication between each other. So we as Ericsson join hands together to make this world a better place to live and changes the lives of the people all over the world. Thank you so much.
Hi all, hope all of you are fine. The novel coronavirus pandemic has halted the world and people around the world are fighting it. Yes, we are passing through a tough time and it is inevitable. Even in the toughest of times, even in this time of pandemic, we Ericsson engineers are making sure that everyone is connected with their loved ones, with their family and with everyone. We will pass through this pandemic as one Ericsson and we will be more better than ever. Stay fit, stay strong, stay healthy. Thank you.